And I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm doing an open collaboration with Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime and My Style, My Color. These lovely ladies have put this open collaboration together for us, for anyone who wanted to be a part of it. And I am so grateful to be a part of this collaboration.
Next level.
We're to use the hashtag Valentines Coffee Station 2020. If you want to follow these lovely ladies, they're in the description box below. And I would also love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you would so please, like my videos, give me a thumbs up, and share my videos. I appreciate you coming back, and let's walk through this coffee station for 2020 Valentine's Day. This is my coffee maker, which is good enough for me. I don't drink coffee that often, but when I do, it's just 1 cup at a time. So that's perfect for me. I also shop my home, which that lovely decor piece came from my buffet, which I love it. I got it from Hobby Lobby many moons ago. I can zoom in a little bit to give you what the detailing is on that beautiful little piece. And next to it, I just purchased these beautiful red roses from Old Time Pottery. They are so lifelike, and I believe they are just absolutely gorgeous. And here is some delicious chocolates that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And the jar is also from Dollar Tree, which I already had in my stash. And in here, in this beautiful red box, I also purchased from Dollar Tree. And it has teas and cocoa in it, and some cinnamon and nutmeg for topping off your cocoa and your teas, if you so will. And another home decor piece that I picked from my collection here at home, and this piece was also from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to zoom in a little closer so you can get some detail from that beauty. And it's sitting on a cake riser that's also from my stash. I don't remember where I got that. And these beautiful mugs that I picked up from Old Time Pottery years ago as well. I have some napkins here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree with a touch of gold. And these mugs here are from the Dollar Tree as well. And you know, those delicious wafers also are from the Dollar Tree. So I'm super excited about this video. And we were also asked to give a loving message. And my message is, I want you to dream big. I want you to believe in those big dreams. Have faith that those dreams will come into fruition. Have joy in the journey. And enjoy your coffee on me. You guys, this concludes this video. Again, I would love for you to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like, share my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.